wanted to share with you guys this, I think it's called a anesthetic 100% pure essential oil, along with the humidifier. It's a humidifier as well as an oil infuser. I purchased this from Groupon. It was $29.99, and it arrived, well, I got it yesterday. I would say it probably took maybe about a week for me to get it, and I wanted to share this with you guys. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so along with this, you get, I believe it's 8 essential oils, and I like the way it was packaged. Take this off so I can show you guys. You get all of these amazing oils here. Lavender, let's see, this is clary sage, lavender, peppermint, cinnamon leaf, grapefruit, lime. See, this is rosemary. What is this one? Let's see, can't really see what this one is. A word that I can't never pronounce. Eucalyptus. I think that's how you pronounce that. If I'm wrong, please forgive me. Rosemary, spearmint. Let's see, this one is bergamot, and this is, ooh, what in the world is this? Patchouli. Forgive me if it's wrong, but I think that's how you pronounce it. Lemon, which I love lemon. And this last one here is tea tree. So you get a total of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 actually. You get 14 oils. And of course, as I stated, this oil infuser and humidifier, and it was $29.99. It comes with the adapter to keep it plugged in, and it comes with a water funnel here, so you can pour the water in. And this is actually the cover, so I'm gonna take the cover off, and then it tells you this is the drain side, and it tells you the max is 100 mLs. Don't go above that, and then you just drop about 2 to 3 drops of oil in here. So I'm going to, and this is the light and the mist. It does light up, and it does change colors as well. So I'm going to get it started so I can show you guys how it looks. Okay, so I have it plugged in, and you can see here that I have filled it up to the 100 ml line, which is the max. I'm going to use lavender, and just take the top off here, and it has a little sprout here, and it says to drop 2 to 3. So let's see, 1. Oop. Actually, I just poured more than 3, but you get a good bit of oils. Let's see, this is 33 floor ounce. You can see there. Oops. I don't know if it's focusing or not. You can see there, 33 flow ounce or 10 mLs, which is a pretty good bit. So now I'm going to turn it here, and I'm going to turn it on, and it's misting. Now I'm going to put my lid here on so it won't spray all over the place. And there we have it. And you see the filter, and it smells really good. I mean, really good. And let's see if we can make the light come on with it. There we go. There's the light. And I can set the time too. I think the time is in the back. Let's see. Let's see if I can turn it. See, it's changing colors now. Here is the times here on the back. Hopefully you can see it. Move the camera closer. You have 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 120 or 180 minutes. And I think it told me, let's see, if I hold it, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Nope, that turned it off. Let's turn it back on. And let's turn the light on. I have to read the directions again to see how I can set the time. I thought it told me to hold the button. Let me read the directions and then I'll come back and show you guys. But I like it. It changes colors. It's so pretty. And that lavender scent smells so good. You can see it bubbling there. But let me read the directions so we can see how to set the time. Okay guys, I figured it out. Now you see right here above this mist button, you have like 4 lights. 1, 2, 3, 4. These lights here go along with the timer that's on the back. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So right now it's on the bottom number. So that means this will continue to mist for 180 minutes. And to change it, to change the time, only thing I have to do is come back over here to the mist button. And each time I press it, well, I turned it off that time, but let's turn it back on. Okay, you see it's on now. And that is, it looks like it's on the first button. I think it's on the first button, which is 30 minutes. If not, it's on the 60 minutes. But that's how you change it, is by pressing this button here. It moves down. Each time you press it, you're changing the time. So now I have it set on 180 minutes. I guess if you just turn it on by itself, and if there's no light, then that means it's the 30 minutes. But as soon as the second light appears, then that's for 60 minutes. And then you continue that way. So we're going to turn our light back on. And we're going to enjoy this moment. It's so beautiful and that lavender smells so good. And I was reading the directions. As I stated, it's a humidifier as well as an oil infuser. So it helps you with your breathing as well. Hence the word humidifier. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I do apologize. I'm just getting this. I think it came yesterday, but I was busy yesterday. So I do apologize. I know I'm just uploading the video, but the coupon on Groupon for this particular humidifier and oil infuser has expired, so you will not be able to get this particular one, but they always have great deals on Groupon, so I suggest that you go and just give it a look. It's Groupon, GROUPON.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Take care and have a blessed day. See you on my next video. Thank you for watching.